It's something so many of us deal with. And let's face it, our hair is more than just hair. It's our daily crown. Good news is, you don't need expensive treatments or fancy products to achieve healthier, thicker hair. Natural remedies can work wonders. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple and effective home remedies to naturally thicken your hair. Ready? Let's get started. Remedy 1. Eggs. First, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, which is vital for building stronger, thicker hair. Here's what you do. Take 1 or 2 eggs, depending on your hair length, and beat them well. Apply this to wet hair and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo. Do this once or twice a week. Another option is to mix 1 egg yolk with a tablespoon of hair oil and 2 tablespoons of water. Massage this into your scalp once a week for fabulous results. Remedy 2. Olive oil. Next up is olive oil. It's not just for cooking. Olive oil is an amazing natural conditioner. Here's how you use it. Warm some olive oil and massage it gently into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and shampoo. Want to amp it up? Mix olive oil with honey, apply it to your hair, and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing. Use these remedies once or twice a week for noticeable results. Remedy 3. Avocado. Now, let's talk about avocados. Packed with vitamin E, avocados not only moisturize but also promote thicker hair. Try this simple recipe. Mash 1 avocado and 1 banana. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and mix well. Massage this onto your scalp. Leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. Alternatively, mix half a ripe avocado with 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil for a hydrating mask. Apply it to freshly shampooed hair, leave it for 20 minutes, and rinse well. Use these remedies once a week for softer, fuller hair. Remedy 4. Castor oil. Finally, castor oil. Known for its thickness and nutrients, it's a natural solution for reducing hair fall and boosting growth. Here's how to use it. Mix equal parts castor oil and coconut oil. Warm the mixture and massage it into your scalp using circular motions. Comb through your hair to distribute the oil. Cover it with a warm towel and leave it on for at least an hour before shampooing. Doing this once a week can work wonders for your hair. And there you have it. 4 powerful natural remedies to help you achieve thicker, healthier hair. Give these a try and let us know how they work for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to All Natural Official for more amazing natural solutions. And don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you. Thanks for listening. And remember, nature has all the answers you need to stay beautiful and confident. See you next time.